For the underhand grip assisted pull-up, I'm going to start by showing you the stack of cable weights. Now this is actually opposite to what most stack of weights represent. This weight represents how much assistance you're getting. Normally, it's going to be the opposite. So the heavier you go for the assisted pull-up, the easier it's going to be. The lighter you go, the harder it's going to be. For the underhand grip, you want to grip at about shoulder width and your palms should be facing towards you. So depending on which assisted pull-up machine you have, whatever grip is going to be closest to that is the one that I want you to have. You are first going to put one knee on the pad and then find your grip. So for me, that's going to be this right here. This is the closest I'm going to be able to get to the grip that I want. Slowly lower that knee down to the bottom position and then place your second leg onto the pad. Now you want to make sure that your hips are not moving like so as you're coming up and down. My hips and my lower body should stay in the exact same position right here the entire time. With the grip, instead of having your thumbs placed overhand, I actually like to keep them straight out, pressed onto the bar. What you'll notice is that you'll get a better engagement of your back muscles if you do it this way. So try it out and see if you like it. Worst case, you can just grip it as normal. Now, something I also want you to think about is when you pull yourself up, you want to think about engaging the movement from your elbows. Your elbows should be initiating the movement to help bring you up. So what I like to compare that to is somebody were to grab your wrist, okay, and you're trying to pull them down. You would have to engage with those elbows to pull them down. So think about, you can actually have somebody grab your wrist to practice this exercise. Grab the wrist, pull them down. That's what it should feel like. One knee, find my hand placement, thumbs out. Second knee. I'm gonna get a full stretch to the bottom and then keep my chest open as I row my elbows to my side. Squeeze my lats at the top, slowly lower myself down. So I'm getting a full stretch at the bottom, but as I roll myself up, I'm going to press my shoulders down, like so. At the bottom, it's okay if they're up. Press it down as you roll up, and bring your elbows to your side. So I said chest open, that means keeping your chest up and out. A lot of people will make this mistake by closing their chest. So that'll look like this if they close their chest, which we don't want. So again, chest out, open, squeeze your lats at the top. Slowly lower yourself down. The tempo that I want you to have is to pull yourself up on a 1 second count, hold it at the top for a good 1 to 2 seconds, and then slowly lower yourself down on a 2 to 3 second count. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Now, if you find that you are struggling to keep your knees, your legs are moving, your hips are moving, you may need to increase the assistance to make it a little bit easier so that you don't need the help and assistance of your legs to help you up.